I started in the morning my climb to the Mount Triglav, which is above me right here. I started down there, it was raining, and I waited for like 2 hours before I started to walk. Then the rain came down a little bit, and now I'm just below Luknja, above me here, which is a kind of a starting point of my ascent today, and it will be climbing. It is one of my preparational climbs before Mont Blanc and all of the other summits I have planned for this year and next year. And so it's never a bad idea to be physically and mentally prepared for climbing vertically when you have to. So that's why this is an objective today. It will probably be around 2 or 3 hours of physical climbing. The rest is just walking and then going down. So I'm planning to do around 3,000 meters, so 1,500 meters up and then 1,500 meters down in the same day in around 10 to 12 hours. This should be a good showcase of my own stamina and endurance for the mountains that I'm going to summit. So I don't know, let's see how it goes.
A few minutes later.
I mean, not that I'm scared, but now I see it's not like really simple. It's going to be a lot of climbing, so let's go. I thought it's going to be like wires and everything everywhere, but now I see it's actually pretty naked part of the route. Like I'm going up there and there's no metal. There's Triglav, and we're probably going up, down, and then somewhere around like this to the top. I'm a little bit exhausted. I don't know, maybe I didn't sleep well or something, I don't know. But I'm just really exhausted and it's hard to climb. So I'm going slowly today, very slowly. But yeah, let's just keep on pushing. That's what it's all about, you know. way is actually pretty chill right now. I just ate a couple of minutes ago, and I'm just slowly, with a slow pace, walking up to the top. I think the worst part is over. That's where I was flying a drone and doing everything. All of a sudden, drone just lost its control. It was crazy. So I had to stop climbing and get the drone back, and now we're here slowly going up. Up there is Triglav, but I think it's 300 more meters of altitude to go and a lot of walking, so let's get to it.
A few moments later.
Well, I'm lost and I think I'll need to return back, walk around, I don't know, a couple of minutes, 10-20 minutes back, because I couldn't find a way nowhere up there, and so it's like, I think it's reasonable to return, maybe go other way, find another way, because I don't want to get lost over here, and it's foggy and I don't know, haven't been here yet, and so that's why I've decided to go slower and now backwards to see where I went wrong. You gotta be careful so you don't fall, but it's a nice route, very nice, I like it, and there's no people.
6.5 hours later.
I'm here again. Well, it took me 11 hours and a half to get up to the top and then down. It was very exhausting, in my opinion. I don't feel that exhausted at the moment, but the walk up was, I mean, I've already said it, I'm never going to do one day Triglav up and down again, and I did it again, so maybe I'll do it, I don't know, once again, I don't know. But now I'm going to jump into the water and just take a bath somewhere in the river and drive home. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.